In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different things you should do before you purchase a home. My name is Vernell and I'm the founder of Fortune 800, a credit improvement company that's helping thousands of people get results that look like this, and like this. Now, if you want results like that for your credit, I want you to tune in for the rest of this video because I'm going to show you 4 things you must do before you apply for a home loan. Now, the first thing is check before you apply. Check your credit score far before you go in or contact any realtor or loan officer. When you speak to a loan officer or a realtor, they should just confirm what you already know about your credit and about your finances so you can move forward with the process. There should be no surprises in a situation like this. Check before you speak to anybody. You want to know where you stand as far as your credit, your budget, and have an idea of your entire financial situation before you move forward with the process. Now, the second thing you want to do is get your use between 1% and 7%. Now, I know a lot of credit gurus and credit people tell you to keep your usage right under 30%. Now, this will keep your score from going down, keeping it at right under 30%, but it won't have your score go up. When you keep it between 1% and 7%, your score will go up and you'll get the maximum amount of points in that category of usage, which is 30% of your credit score. So get it between 1% and 7%. Now, the third thing is lower your debt to income ratio before you apply for any home loan. The reason for this is you want to make sure that you're getting maximum amount of max home, so you can get the home that you want. You want to make sure it's easy to move forward with the process, and you don't have to worry about getting a home that you do not want because your debt to income ratio is too high. Therefore, you don't qualify for as much home as you want. Now, the fourth thing is don't worry about inquiries. I know a lot of people are worried about, are they going to pull my credit? Is the lender going to pull my credit? Once you find a lender that you know, like, and trust, then move forward with them and apply with that lender because you have a 30 to 45 day period to shop around for your home, where the credit bureaus will recognize you're shopping for a home and all the inquiries will be pretty much counted as one, and it will not affect your score as much as if you went out and applied for 10 credit cards. Now, those are the 4 things that you must do before you apply for a home loan. Now, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with at least 10 friends who are looking to purchase a home.